Well, folks, look at how beautiful this place is. Wow, look at that. That's sugar cane right there, and sugar cane over there. And I'm here by myself. All right, let's keep going. I saw something here that it's pretty neat. I like this for my people working. Okay, I got the picture. Well, here I am in a out back road, which is basically the road is made for this truck. No, I'm just. It's the first time that I came here with this truck, and man, it's just amazing how the thing behaves. There are some really steep climbs and somewhat of a bumpy mud clay type of road, and this thing behaves like a charm, you know. It's beautiful. It's a bit jumpy. The car is a bit jumpy, but the truck is a bit jumpy, but it doesn't matter. It's just an amazing feeling. And also I just tried the 4x4 4H, which is the high 4x4. You can ride faster. I haven't tried the low 4x4. I will do it later on, and I will tell you how it behaves. And also, this truck has 4L and S, something like that, which does lock the differential in front and on the back. So yeah, it should help you a lot if you're stuck in something. Yeah. I just press this button that is an automatic downhill help, something like that, or the car brakes for itself in the speed that you want it to go, and it works. Wow, look at that beautiful house there. Love it. And so the idea is to buy something here. Let's park here just for a moment, and going to buy something. When Okay, I have my errands. Now we go home.